Alright, Woo, Sharks, Rafferty, and Aussie Andy are going to try these last 4 draft style. 7 clicks, 5 and 2. Here we go. Last 4 from this case. We got more here, but this is the last 4 from this. 7 times. Sharks, Jerry, Andy, Woo. Sharks, Jerry, Andy, Woo. 7 times. It was a 7, right? Yeah. All right. I don't need to copy that. We all see it. It's only 4 people. Sharks, Jerry, Andy, Woo. Let's see what we get. Could be 4 monsters, Donald. We've seen that before. That case I got last in, like I say, I actually wasn't too upset with La Bamba. I know it's not a big picture, but I was glad it was at least that picture. The La Bamba version. Geico guy? Look at those arms. They're hairy. Oh, Steve Carell. I thought it was the Geico guy from the Geico commercials. Look at his arm. All right, Steve Carell, 40-year-old virgin. Dinner table, hand. Oh, cool. Michelle Williams. I don't think we ever pulled her autograph. She used to, she was, I believe, in One Tree Hill, right? In Wilmington here? In Wilmington? Am I thinking of somebody else? I never watched the show, but I'm pretty sure Michelle Williams was in One Tree Hill. Oh, Dawson's Creek, that's it. I knew she was in a show that was in Wilmington. Dawson's Creek. Never seen that show either. But I remember she was in town all the time. Yeah, Dawson's Creek was shot in Wilmington, yeah. With Tom Cruise's Katie Holmes, she's in it. Joshua Jackson, I believe he was in it. I met Joshua Jackson downtown at the bars. He was always down there drinking. Olivia Munn. That looks like a cool picture. I don't know what it's. Is that a movie? I meant, what is that? Is that a photo shoot? Last one. 3 out of 4 ladies. That's Heigl. What's her name? Katherine Heigl, or however you say it. Katherine Heigl. Not a bad 4 pictures. If I was drafting, I wouldn't know which one to take. But anyway, I'm not, so I don't have to worry about it. First draft is Sharks. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.